Welcome to Precision Craft Factory, where we uncover the industrial marvels behind the world's most famous golden, crispy, and delicious French fries. Every single day, millions of people enjoy these salty treats, but few understand the complex engineering required to make them perfect. The journey begins here, in the vast agricultural fields, where specialized potato varieties like the Russet Burbank are grown for texture. Farmers work tirelessly with massive machinery to harvest these crops at the peak of maturity to ensure the best possible flavor. The harvesting process is gentle yet efficient, designed to pull the tubers from the ground without causing any bruises or damage. Trucks drive alongside the harvesters in a synchronized dance, catching the falling potatoes to transport them immediately to climate-controlled storage. Before processing, these potatoes are stored in dark, cool warehouses to convert their natural starches into the perfect sugar balance. From the farm storage, the raw materials are loaded onto trucks and shipped directly to the processing plant for immediate transformation. Upon arrival, the potatoes are unloaded onto a receiving belt where the first stage of the rigorous cleaning process officially begins. Water flumes are used to transport the potatoes, which protects them from impact while soaking off the heavy field dirt. Specialized equipment separates rocks and debris based on density, ensuring that only pure potatoes move forward to the next stage. The tubers enter a rotary washer where high-pressure jets scrub away the remaining dirt, leaving the skins clean and exposed.
The next batch looks cleaner.
Human inspectors provide an essential layer of quality control, removing any obvious defects that the machines might have missed earlier. Now clean, the potatoes approach the steam peeler, a critical machine that uses thermodynamics to remove skins efficiently and quickly. Inside the chamber, high-pressure steam is applied for a few seconds, literally exploding the skins off without cooking the potato. Rotating brushes gently scrub the potatoes after the steam bath, removing the peels completely while preserving the valuable white flesh underneath. The result is a stream of perfectly peeled, clean potatoes ready for the most exciting part of the entire manufacturing process. They are pumped into a powerful water tube system that accelerates them to speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. At the end of the tube lies a stationary knife grid sharpened to perfection, waiting to slice the potato instantly. The force of the water pushes the potato through the blades, creating the classic uniform shape in a fraction of a second. This hydro-cutting method ensures that every single fry has the exact same thickness, crucial for even cooking later on. Vibrating shakers sort the fries by size, allowing small slivers and nubbins to fall through the gaps to be discarded. Advanced optical sorters scan every single strip at lightning speed, looking for black spots, green skins, or any other imperfections. When a defect is detected, a precise blast of compressed air knocks that specific fry out of the production line instantly. The surviving premium fries enter a large blanching tank filled with hot water to remove excess natural sugars and starch. Blanching is essential because it deactivates enzymes that cause discoloration and changes the texture to be soft on the inside. After blanching, the fries are showered with a light dextrose solution, which helps them achieve that signature golden color when fried. They are also treated with a safe stabilizer to prevent the potatoes from turning gray after freezing, maintaining visual appeal. The strips then move into a drying tunnel, where warm air removes surface moisture, which is vital for a crispy crust. Removing the water ensures that the fries will not splatter when they hit the oil and will absorb less fat. Next is the par frying stage, where the potatoes are partially cooked in oil for a very short period of time. This step sets the crispy outer shell, while leaving the inside needing a final fry at the restaurant before serving. Once they exit the fryer, the excess oil is drained away, and the fries are now structurally stable and partially cooked. The hot fries travel directly into a massive freezing tunnel, where temperatures drop drastically to lock in freshness immediately. This process is called individual quick freezing, ensuring that each fry remains separate and does not stick to its neighbors. Emerging from the tunnel, the fries are now frozen solid, resembling hard icicles, ready for the final stages of packaging. A final sorting machine checks the length one last time, ensuring that customers get the long, satisfying fries they expect. Computerized weighing stations measure exact portions with incredible accuracy, dropping the precise amount of product into the waiting packaging chutes. Automated bagging machines form, fill, and seal the bags in a blur of motion, processing thousands of pounds every hour. Safety is paramount, so every single bag passes through metal detectors and check weighers to guarantee the product is safe. Robotic arms take over the heavy lifting, packing the bags into cardboard cases with speed and consistency that humans cannot match. The cases are sealed and stamped with tracking codes, allowing the factory to trace every batch back to the original farm. Palletizing robots stack the cases onto wooden pallets, building stable structures ready for transport to the massive cold storage warehouse. Forklifts move the pallets into a deep freeze warehouse where they await distribution to thousands of restaurants around the globe. Refrigerated trucks eventually transport these cases to local distribution centers, maintaining the cold chain to preserve quality until the end. The final step of the journey happens in the restaurant kitchen, where the frozen fries are poured into the frying basket. They are lowered into hot oil for a final few minutes, cooking the interior fully and crisping the exterior perfectly. Once lifted and drained, they are tossed with a precise amount of salt, enhancing the natural potato flavor we all love. Scooped into the iconic red sleeve, the fries are now ready to be served hot and fresh to the waiting customer. From the soil of the farm to the tray in your hand, this process represents the pinnacle of food engineering. We have witnessed a journey of transformation, turning a humble root vegetable into a globally recognized symbol of comfort food. Facilities like this operate 24 hours a day, producing enough fries to circle the globe multiple times every year. The precision required to maintain consistency across billions of servings is a testament to modern industrial automation and quality control. It is a collaborative effort between dedicated farmers and skilled engineers, working together to maintain the high standards of the brand. Everything starts with the soil, and preserving the health of the land is crucial for the future of potato farming. Sustainable farming practices and efficient water usage ensure that we can continue to enjoy these treats for generations to come. Behind the scenes, scientists constantly analyze the starch content and sugar levels to optimize the texture and color of the fry. Data drives every decision in the factory, allowing operators to make micro adjustments to the process to guarantee perfection. Responsible manufacturing also means treating the water used in processing, returning it to nature as clean as when it arrived. Even the peels removed at the beginning are not wasted. They are often repurposed as nutritious feed for local livestock. The factory never sleeps, a beating heart of industry that connects the quiet rural fields to the bustling city streets. So the next time you order fries, remember the incredible technology and logistics that made that simple bite possible. This same technology can be adapted to create wedges, curly fries, and hash browns, feeding a world of diverse tastes. Regular maintenance is key, and the razor-sharp blades of the hydro cutter are changed frequently to ensure clean cuts. The transformation is striking, turning a rough, earth-covered tuber into a refined, golden stick of pure culinary joy. It is a symphony of chemistry, physics, and logistics, all playing together to create the world's most popular side dish. From the control room, operators watch over the process like conductors, ensuring the rhythm of production never skips a beat. The oil used for par frying is continuously filtered and monitored to prevent off flavors and maintain the highest quality standards. Defective fries that are rejected by the optical sorters are often collected and used to generate biogas to power the plant. Hygiene is a top priority, with the entire line being constructed from food-grade stainless steel for easy cleaning and sanitation. During scheduled downtimes, sanitation crews scour every inch of the machinery to ensure no bacteria can compromise the food safety. The cycle actually begins years in advance in the laboratory, where seed potatoes are developed to be disease-resistant and high-yielding. Precision agriculture allows farmers to give the plants exactly what they need, reducing waste and improving the sustainability of the crop. Thanks to advanced storage technology, we can enjoy fresh French fries year-round, even when potatoes are not being harvested. Ventilation systems carefully control humidity and temperature, putting the potatoes into a dormant state to preserve their internal sugar levels. Specialized trucks with moving floors gently push the potatoes out, preventing them from falling and bruising during the unloading process. It is fascinating to see how simple physics allows water and gravity to separate heavy stones from the lighter, floating potatoes. The wash water is constantly recycled and treated, reducing the overall environmental footprint of this massive industrial processing operation. The steam peeler is a beast of a machine, using the power of heat and pressure to perform a delicate task. Removing the skin reveals the quality of the potato underneath, ensuring that the final fry will have a uniform appearance. The water in the cutting tube also acts as a lubricant, reducing friction and preventing the potato from shattering upon impact. The blades must be sharper than a surgical scalpel to cut through the potato at high speeds without tearing it. Uniformity is not just for looks. It ensures that every single fry cooks at the exact same rate in the fryer. The deafening roar of the shaker tables is the sound of quality control, filtering out anything that does not meet standards. The air sorters are so fast that the human eye cannot even see them working, a blur of efficiency and technology. Blanching also helps to gelatinize the starch on the surface, which creates a barrier that reduces oil absorption during frying. The dextrose solution essentially replaces the natural sugars lost during blanching, giving the manufacturer control over the final browning color. Drying is a delicate balance. Too much heat creates a tough skin, while too little leaves the fry soggy and limp. Temperature control in the fryer is critical, maintained within a fraction of a degree to ensure consistent cooking results every time. The par-fried potatoes are now fragile and hot, requiring careful handling as they move towards the freezing tunnel. Before freezing, the fries are often pre-cooled to save energy and prevent ice crystals from forming too quickly inside. Rapid freezing creates tiny ice crystals that do not damage the cell structure, preserving the texture for when it is cooked. The result is a free-flowing product that is easy to package and easy for the restaurant staff to portion out. The weighing machines are marvels of speed, calculating the best combination of buckets to reach the target weight instantly. Miles of plastic film are consumed by these machines, turning flat rolls into durable bags capable of protecting the product. A heated jaw seals the bag shut, trapping the cold air inside and ensuring the fries stay frozen during their journey. Quality assurance continues until the very end, with metal detectors standing guard to ensure consumer safety is never compromised. Automation allows these factories to operate with incredible efficiency, reducing the physical strain on human workers and increasing output. Every box is stamped with a digital passport, containing all the information needed to track its history and origin. Stretch wrap secures the boxes to the pallet, creating a stable unit load that can withstand the rigors of shipping. The cold storage warehouse is a cathedral of ice, holding millions of pounds of product ready to be shipped worldwide. Workers in these freezers wear specialized thermal gear to protect them from the sub-zero temperatures while they manage logistics. The cold chain remains unbroken as trucks back up to sealed docks, ensuring the fries never experience a temperature spike. Once loaded, these trucks become mobile freezers, carrying the product across highways and oceans to reach your local restaurant. This is a global operation, with factories strategically located to supply the massive demand for French fries in every country. It is a long journey from the cold earth to the hot fryer, but the result is always worth the effort. The perfect fry has a crispy exterior that shatters when bitten, revealing a fluffy, steaming interior of cooked potato.
Look at this
Food brings
one.
people
It's
together, and few
huge.
foods are as universally loved and shared
Give it
as
here.
a simple
She didn't
basket
even
of French
hesitate.
fries. Behind every bite is a dedicated chain of people and machines working in harmony to deliver quality and consistency. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the fascinating world of industrial French fry production and high-tech engineering. If you are fascinated by how things are made, please hit the like button to support our channel's content creation. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another episode of our industrial manufacturing series. Thank you for watching Precision Craft Factory. Subscribe now to discover more amazing industrial secrets hidden within your favorite everyday foods.